Hi guys, welcome back. Just going to bring you a quick update on Celsius. If you haven't already, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and comment if you've got any questions in the feed. So a few things have come to light with Celsius. Obviously I made a video yesterday on Celsius removing all the wrapped Bitcoin out of the MakerDAO pool. It's now come to light that they sent that money over to FTX pretty much straight away. So why have they sent the money over to FTX, is question one. Just looking at this article, obviously they moved all the wrapped Bitcoin, which is around 529 million of Bitcoin in value. Why have they done that? Did they owe FTX money, or have they done some kind of deal with FTX, or are they planning on selling it for Bitcoin and protecting the depositors in another way? I don't know. So let me know your thoughts in the comment on what you think about that, because I'm still a bit baffled about that. I think the community's a bit torn on it as well. Nobody knows. Obviously, some people are saying it's good for the depositors. Some people are saying something dodgy's going on. So let me know your thoughts on that. The next thing is, this guy's claiming, Jason Stone, that he's suing Celsius. So I just wanted to take a closer look at this thread. So he's saying here, "Hi all, I'm Jason Stone from August 2020 until April 21. I led the group of talented individuals who managed the OXB1 address. Before leading OXB1, I spent years in the proof-of-stake realm, creating yield optimization strategies. In 2019, I founded a company called Keyfi that wrote MPC staking software and strategies. After discussions with Celsius Network, in mid-2020, Celsius began an acquisition of Keyfi's assets and team. Therefore, I pivoted Keyfi staking and deploying DeFi strategies for Celsius." So obviously they took on this guy at some point in 2020, and some kind of merger was going on in the background. In August 2020, OXB1 was created. So this is the wallet that they've been using, along with other addresses to send that Celsius customer deposits for us to manage. Shortly after, Celsius shared the private key. So Celsius has shared the private key. So obviously this one guy, Jason Stone, apparently had full control of all the Celsius wallets. Seems crazy to me. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Obviously, we don't know if this is true or not, but obviously this is one guy and what he's saying. And over the ensuing months, transferred hundreds of millions of dollars to customer deposits to invest for us. By the time Celsius and Keyfi parted ways, we were managing nearly 2 billion of assets. Celsius risk management team monitored our investment strategies and performance using HedgeGuard and DBank. They assured me that as part of this monitoring, the trading teams were adequately hedging any potential impermanent loss from activities in liquidity pools. They assured me that they had risk management hedging in place to account for fluctuations in token prices. So I always thought myself Celsius was low risk. Obviously that's become apparent that it's not. It's more of a high risk yield account. In late February 21, we discovered Celsius had lied to us, he's saying. They had not been hedging our activities, nor had they been hedging the fluctuations in crypto asset prices. The entire company's portfolio had naked exposure to the market. After seeing these and other major problems in the company operated, we informed Celsius who wished to terminate our relationship. So obviously it looks like things started going sour around this time. That was March 2021. We told Celsius we would work with them to unwind our various positions over the following months. By April 21, the value of the assets under management had increased by over 800 million. But when we unwound the DeFi positions, Celsius suffered impermanent loss. At first, they believed the impermanent loss was evidence of Keyfi stealing, accused me of being a thief. Well, I'm not quite sure there, because obviously Celsius would be able to see exactly what was going on in the pools. They later came to accept the impermanent loss, so there we are. So for what it was, but claimed I was responsible for it. They completely ignored the fact that they had full visibility into all trading strategies deployed by Keyfi and promised to hedge that exact risk. I have tried for over a year to quietly settle this dispute in the background with Celsius and Keyfi. They owe Keyfi a significant sum of money. We have been more than reasonable in attempting to resolve this with them. Despite our reasonableness and due to what I believe was motivated by the massive hole in the balance sheet, Celsius has refused to acknowledge the truth or the failures in risk management accounting. They have tried to deflect and blame me instead. Given the public speculation about the company's solvency and my observation of Celsius' loose relationship with the truth, I feel it is only prudent to finally set the record straight. I have brought legal action against Celsius to settle this issue once and for all. You can find a copy of the file in here that sheds a light on the history of the OXP1 wallet. So I want to take a look at that. Also, though, I want to take a look at, let's have a look at this guy. So OXP1, so what's he got? 123,000 subscribers on Twitter. I'm not sure, guys. Obviously, there's one guy saying this, but you got to wonder. But if you take a look at page 23 on the script here, we're on page 23. So it's basically got here, he's claiming that Celsius is a Ponzi scheme. So what's he got here? In January 21, the crypto market began a bull cycle, which caused Celsius, who had recklessly and fraudulently failed to hedge its investments, to suffer severe exchange rate losses. In January 21, the price of Ether increased by over 50%. So obviously their Celsius doubled. Their Ether doubled in Celsius in just a couple of days and continued to climb over the next few weeks. Well, if you look back at January 21, you can see that. Going from a low of 0.24 BTC per ETH on January to as high as 1 BTC per ETH. To a high of 0.5 per token by February 4th. Celsius had massive liabilities to depositors denominated in Ether, but had not maintained Ether holdings equal to loose liabilities. Instead, Celsius had authorized DeFi strategies that resulted in shifting assets from other cryptocurrencies had failed to hedge against this well-known risk. So, as customers sought to withdraw the deposits, Celsius was forced to buy Ether in the open market at historically high prices, suffering heavy losses faced with a liquidity crisis. Obviously, we've seen that with the impermanent loss. Celsius began to offer double-digit interest rates in order to lure new depositors whose funds were used to repay early depositors' creditors. Thus, while Celsius continued to market itself at its transparent, well-capitalized business, in reality, it was a Ponzi scheme. Well, let me know your thoughts on that. Obviously, I wrote a few notes down here. So, obviously, we believed that it was good news with the debt, etc. But obviously, this has now come to light. It seems like new things are coming out all the time. Obviously, Celsius is still quiet in the background. Like I said, hopefully, we get an update soon. Obviously, another question: why have they sent money to FTX? That's strange. Like, they withdrew the wrapped Bitcoin, 21,000 wrapped Bitcoin, and it's then straight to FTX. What's going on there? Obviously, this Jason Stone lawsuit. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. Obviously, it seems bad what's going on with this Jason. Obviously, is he lying? Is he telling the truth? Obviously, time will tell, and things are going to unravel now. Obviously, this has come to light. Obviously, he's blaming Celsius, but obviously he's done a bad job trading equally. Obviously, clearly he hasn't done a good job with the funds. But obviously, like I said, all's going to be revealed. Obviously, you could take a look at this feed as well. I'll post this court feed in the comment box. But for me, like I don't get it. Like, obviously, Alex Mashinsky comes from more of an IT background. If you look into him, he claims that he's one of the founders of VoIP. Obviously, some people have said that's been debunked, though. Obviously, I like Celsius. Like I said, obviously, I'm hopeful that they're gonna protect the depositors. But let me know your thoughts. Obviously, there's a lot coming to light here. Another thing as well I've looked at is what's Simon Dixon saying. Obviously, he's done a recent tweet here. So his focus is still on solutions for Celsius network depositors first. Happy to progress a bank to the future. He's making for before or after Chapter 11. Both strategies are being worked on by two different. So I think it's just going straight in. Yeah, so it's the same recovery plan. But yeah, so let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, comment. We're doing a free crypto course at the moment. 7 weeks, 7 modules. Video a day for beginners, intermediate. Learn about crypto. Experts too. Obviously, we're crypto experts. We're giving daily updates every day. In the daily news. And we'll just cover a few things as well. Hope guys, let me know your feedback. Hope you enjoyed. And we'll catch you later.